Hello, students. Good morning. Okay. Last time we have seen tan inverse x plus tan inverse y based sums. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. The revision of last time formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay. And there is a condition xy less than 1. If xy greater than 1, that is pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Xy is greater than 1. Okay. So last time we have seen these two formulas and one another formula. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. And we have seen the miscellaneous questions also. Okay. So now today we are finished. We are going to finish exercise 2.2. We are going to finish exercise 2.2. So for 2.2, first we have to clear some fundamental, basic technique. If we have 1 plus x square, then always suppose x equal to tan theta. If we have 1 minus x square, then always suppose x equal to sin theta. And if we have x square minus 1 form, then suppose x equal to sec theta. Or we can assume x equal to cot also, x equal to here cos theta also, and here x equal to cosec theta also. So always remember these things for 2.2 and miscellaneous questions. It is most important. It is also useful for differentiation and integration part. So most important part. Remember this. So whenever we see 1 plus x square, we can suppose x equal to tan theta or x equal to cot theta. Okay. Now see the question. Exercise 2.2. See the question of exercise 2.2. Question number 5. Tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. How to solve this question? So here we have 1 plus x square and here 1 plus x square. So suppose x equal to tan theta. For our convenience, suppose x equal to tan theta, because there is no direct formula for solving this part, tan inverse of this angle. So which becomes tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon x equal to tan theta. Tan inverse of under root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So what is 1 plus tan square? 1 plus tan square equal to sec square, and under root sec square is sec. So sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now It is tan inverse. Simplify this. Means converting in sine cos form. So sec theta equal to what? Sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta. Tan theta equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Clear? Okay. So which is equal to tan inverse of cos theta is the LCM. So 1 minus cos theta whole divided by sine theta. So tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta dividing by sine theta. Now simplification. Formula of 11th standard 1 minus cos theta. It is called half angle formula. So tan inverse 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. Half angle formula. And sine theta. The formula of sine theta is what? 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. It is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So now simplification is what? 2 to cancel, sine cancel, sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, which is tan theta by 2. 2 to cancel, sine cancel, sine upon cos, tan theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Both are inverse of each other. So it is theta by 2. And what is theta? X equal to tan theta. So here theta equal to what? Tan inverse x by this. Theta equal to tan inverse x. So putting here, so final answer is half of tan inverse x. Understood? So always remember this thing, 1 plus x square. If we have 1 plus x square, then we have to replace x equal to tan theta for simplify this type of questions. Write down. કે મારો અવાજ તમને ક્લિયર આવે છે, વિડિયો ક્લિયર આવે છે કે નહીં, તો કોમેન્ટ બોક્સમાં લખો તો મને ખ્યાલ આવે કે તમારો મારો વિડિયો તમને પહોંચે છે અને ઓડિયો પણ પહોંચે છે પ્રોપર. Okay, now next question. Question number 6th. Question number 6th. Tan inverse 1 upon under root x square minus 1. We have seen this. આપણે હમણાં જોયું કે x square minus 1 form. Then suppose x equal to sec theta, or we can suppose x equal to cosec theta. Okay, suppose x equal to cosec theta. Let x equal to cosec theta. So tan inverse of 1 upon under root x square minus 1. Question equal to tan inverse 1 upon under root cos x square theta minus 1. And cos x square theta minus 1, it is the basic formula of standard 10th. It is 1 upon under root cos x square minus 1 cot square theta. So tan inverse 1 upon cot theta. And 1 upon cot theta is tan theta. So it is tan inverse tan theta. Tan inverse and tan both are inverse of each other. So it will be cancelled, which is equal to theta. And theta equal to what? Here. Theta equal to cosec inverse x. So replacing theta by cosec inverse x, because we have supposed x equal to cosec theta. So the final answer is tan inverse of 1 upon under root x square minus 1 is equal to cosec inverse x. Write down. कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हो. Question number 7. Now, question number 7. Tan inverse of under root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. So 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x is the direct formula, which is equal to tan inverse under root tan square x by 2. Tan square half angle formula. It is tan square x by 2. So which is equal to tan inverse of under root tan square x by 2. So which is equal to what? Which is equal to mod of tan x by 2. Root and tan square means it is mod of tan x by 2, and condition is given. Condition is what? X less than pi. Here x less than pi means dividing by pi, dividing by 2, sorry. So 0 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2, and 0 to pi by 2 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, all functions are positive functions. Therefore, mod of tan x by 2 equal to what? Tan x by 2. So now number A, from number A, we can write as it is a tan inverse of tan x by 2. So mod tan x by 2 equal to what? Tan x by 2. And tan inverse and tan both are inverse function of each other. So it will be cancelled. So final answer is x by 2. Okay, write down. Question number 8, important question. Tan inverse of cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Before this question, I want to clear something. which is basic and very important. Tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to what? Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to, so we can write as it is a tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus 1 into x. So it is the formula form, tan inverse alpha minus beta upon 1 plus alpha into beta. So which equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. And tan inverse 1 equal to what? Pi by 4. So it is pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. Understood? Again I am repeating. It is the very important concept. Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to what? We can write as this x equal to 1 into x. So it becomes formula tan inverse alpha minus beta upon 1 plus alpha into beta. Reverse formula. So it is equal to what? Tan inverse alpha minus tan inverse beta. Okay, and similarly, same way, tan inverse 1 plus x upon 1 minus x equal to what? Tan inverse 1 प्लस tan इनवर्स x. तो हमेशा ये दो ध्यान में रखो. ऐसा कोई भी समूह यहाँ पे हमें ऐसा 1 minus x 1 plus x या 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, so we can write directly tan inverse 1 plus हो तो plus minus हो तो minus tan inverse x using this concept in this question. So here suppose the question equal to y, so y equal to tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x dividing by cos x to each and every term. So which is equal to tan inverse cos x by cos x 1 sin x upon cos x tan x cos x by cos x it is 1 plus sin x upon cos x it is tan x. Okay, and now it is in the form of this, both are in the same form. So tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, same way tan inverse 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. So we can directly write as a tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse, यहाँ जो भी है x है तो x. So applying here, which is equal to what? It is equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse, यहाँ पे जो भी होगा वो आएगा, यहाँ पे x है तो x आएगा, यहाँ tan x है tan x आएगा, tan inverse tan x. And this equal to what? This equal to tan inverse 1 pi by 4 minus tan inverse of tan x, it is x. So final answer y equal to pi by 4 minus x, and y is the question. तो क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा हमारा pi by 4 minus x. क्लियर? ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है, याद रखो हमेशा. राइट डाउन. Question number 9. Suppose question is y. So y equal to tan inverse x upon under root a square minus x square. Tan inverse under root a square minus x square. Okay. So first of all we have to simplify. अभी आज हमने सीखा कि अगर हमारे पास 1 minus x square फॉर्म है तो हम सपोज कर सकते हैं x इक्वल टू साइन थीटा। सेम वे अगर मेरे पास यहाँ पे स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है तो हम सपोज करेंगे x इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर का हमेशा ए ले लो कांस्टेंट साइन थीटा। तो एक सिंपल टेक्निक याद रखो, एक्स स्क्वायर का एक्स कर देंगे, ए स्क्वायर है तो उसका ही कर देंगे, और क्या होगा साइन थीटा। बोथ आर इन द सेम फॉर्म, वन माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर वेरिएबल माइनस के पीछे हो तो हमेशा सपोज करेंगे साइन थीटा या कॉस थीटा फॉर्म, और साइन इज द इजीएस्ट फॉर्म। So we can suppose x equal to a sine theta. Okay. So now replace this value in the question. So suppose let that x equal to a sine theta, replacing here. So y equal to tan inverse of value of x a sine theta under root a square minus value of x a square sine square theta tan inverse a sine theta. Simplify this, which is what a square common, and 1 minus sine square equal to cos square theta. So it is a square cos square theta under root of. So tan inverse of a sine theta dividing by a cos theta. So which is equal to what? Tan inverse of tan theta. That is theta. Here we have supposed x equal to a sine theta. So using this here x equal to a sine theta. Therefore sine theta equal to what? X by a. Theta equal to what? Sine inverse x by. So theta equal to sine inverse x by a. Putting this value here. So final answer y equal to, therefore y equal to sine inverse x by a. It is final answer. Understood? Write down. Okay. Next. What is the formula of tan 3 alpha? So formula tan 3 alpha equal to 3 tan alpha minus tan cube alpha upon 1 minus 3 tan square alpha. It is the formula of tan 3 alpha. Now next question. Question number 9. Let y equal to tan inverse 3 square x minus x cube dividing by a cube minus 3ax square. Here this angle is in the form of this form. means formula form. So we have to replace x. We have to replace x by x equal to 8 tan alpha. So we can convert this angle in the formula. क्योंकि यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला में देखो कहीं भी x नहीं है और मेरे पास यहाँ पे x है, तो हम सपोज कर सकते हैं x इक्वल टू ए टेन अल्फा. ये क्यों लिया? बिकॉज a इज द कांस्टेंट. और फिर सोचो प्रैक्टिस से तो ऑटोमेटिक आपको आ जाएगा. सो y इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ 3a स्क्वायर x इक्वल टू a tan अल्फा minus x cube means a tan alpha cube whole divided by a cube as it is constant minus 3a x square a tan alpha square. Putting x equal to a tan alpha in place of x. Now simplify this. 3 a cube tan alpha minus a cube tan cube alpha whole divided by a cube minus 3 a cube tan square alpha. So a cube is common from denominator and numerator. So it is tan inverse 3 tan alpha minus tan cube alpha upon 1 minus 3 tan square alpha. It is the formula. So this equal to what? Tan 3 alpha. So tan inverse of tan 3 alpha. Tan inverse and tan cancel. So it is 3 alpha. And alpha equal to what? To find the alpha. Here x by a equal to tan alpha. We have supposed x by a equal tan alpha. So alpha equal to tan inverse x by a. So final answer is 3 times tan inverse x by a. Putting the value of alpha here. It is y means question. So our answer is y equal to 3 tan inverse x by a. Write down. Tenth, 11th, 10th. Sorry, it is the question number 10. Outline. Question number 10. And now question number 11. 11th question. Tan inverse of 2 cos 2 sin inverse half. This is the easiest question. We can do orally also. Sin inverse half. Sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2. 2 cos 2 times pi by 6 sin 30. So tan inverse of 2 cos pi by 3. 2 cos pi by 3 and cos 60. Cos 60 is what? Tan inverse of 2 times cos 60 value half 1 by 2 and 2 into 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 which is pi by 4 45 degree. So tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4. Okay, write down. Next question number 12. Question number 12. Cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is the formula, which is pi by 2, and cot pi by 2 0. Cot pi by 2 is 0. That is the answer. Question number 13. Important question. Question 13 is the important question. Tan of half of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Suppose the question equal to 1 by 2. Question equal to tan of 1 by 2 something. So what is the formula of tan to alpha? It is 2 tan alpha upon 1 minus tan square alpha. Formula of sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. And formula of cos 2 alpha. It is 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. So here these two are in the form of sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha form. Okay. So simple. Suppose x equal to tan alpha and y equal to tan beta. So question equal to what? Tan of half of it is sin inverse 2 tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha plus cos inverse 1 minus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta. It is formula sin 2 alpha. So half of sin inverse sin 2 alpha plus cos inverse cos 2 beta. These two formula. And tan of half of sin inverse sin 2 alpha is what? Sin cancel. Same way cos inverse and cos cancel. And here 2 common, 2 cancel. So it is tan alpha plus beta. And tan alpha plus beta is the formula. Tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. But tan alpha equal to what? X. Tan beta equal to what? Y. So final answer is x plus y upon 1 minus xy. तो इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन चैप्टर नंबर 2 के लिए आपको 11th की सभी फॉर्मूला आनी चाहिए। ये हमेशा ध्यान रखो, ये फॉर्मूला बेस ही है पूरा। 11th की फॉर्मूला मैं हर बार लिखूंगा यहाँ पे, पर आप भी प्रिपेयर करते रहो। राइट डाउन। Okay. So now question number 14, 15. Sine of sine inverse 1 by 5. Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1. Sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1. Find the value of x. It is the tricky question and easiest question. Sine of something equal to 1. Sine orally करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे? Sine of something equal to 1 means sine 90 is 1 always. We know that. Sine 90 is 1 when domain minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So sine 90 is 1. So it is pi by 2. और cos inverse x plus sin inverse x क्या होता है? Pi by 2. ये फॉर्मूला है हमारी. मतलब दोनों क्या होने चाहिए? सेम. तो x क्या होगा? X is the 1 by 5. For MCQ, we can directly solve this. Okay, now method. Sine को सामने ले जाओ. So which is equal to what? It is a sine inverse 1. And here sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x. Applying sine inverse on both the side. Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So by formula, we know that sine inverse something plus cos inverse something equal to pi by 2. And something must be same. Both compulsory or equal होने चाहिए. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 5 by formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 ये formula थी. Clear? Question number 15th. Tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to pi by 4 equal to pi by 4. Find the value of x. Find out x. Okay. So applying the formula tan inverse alpha plus tan inverse beta. The formula is what? Tan inverse. Suppose it is alpha, it is beta. Tan inverse alpha plus beta whole divided by 1 minus alpha into beta. So it is tan inverse. LCM, taking LCM is x square minus 4. It is x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole divided by x square minus 4 minus x square minus 1 divided by x square minus 4, which is equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse of something. Taking tan inverse on right hand side in next step. So which is equal to 10 pi by 4. And here simplify this, open the bracket, x square plus x minus 2 plus x square minus x minus 2 whole divided by, open the bracket here, x square x cancel, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. So now plus x minus x cancel. It is 2x square minus 4 and tan 45 equal to what? 1. 1 into minus 3. It is minus 3. So 2x square equal to 1. X square equal to 1 by 2. X equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So we have two cases, x equal to 1 upon root 2 or x equal to minus 1 upon root 2. And if you want to verify this, putting x equal to 1 upon root 2 here, first and second case x equal to minus 1 upon root 2. Clear? So minus 1 root 2 will not be satisfied. So final answer is what? X equal to 1 upon root 2. It is not satisfying. This value is not satisfying the question. क्यों? थोड़ा सोचो, सिंपल है, नेगेटिव है यहाँ पे, तो माइनस 1 upon root 2 ये भी minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 plus putting x equal to minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 and minus 1 upon root 2 plus 2, पूरा ये नेगेटिव साइड होगा, 1 नहीं होगा, tan इनवर्स 1 नहीं बनेगा. क्लियर? तो इसका आंसर होगा सिर्फ x equal to 1 upon root 2. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. उसके लिए हमें सब डोमेन कोडोमेन लास्ट टाइम देखा था, वो सब कुछ हमें याद होना चाहिए, तो ही हो सकता है. इस 16, 17, 18 वगैरह एमसीक्यू है, एमसीक्यू बेस्ड वन मार्कर क्वेश्चन. साइन इनवर्स साइन 2 पाई बाय 3. 2 pi by 3 मतलब 120 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, so we cannot cancel. तो ये सीधे कैंसिल नहीं होगा, तो क्या करेंगे हम, इसके अंदर आएंगे, रेंज के अंदर, मतलब ये जो हमारी रेंज अभी माइनस 90 से 90, उसके अंदर हम इसको करेंगे कन्वर्ट. तो इट इज साइन इनवर्स ऑफ sin 2 pi by 3, which is what we can write as pi minus pi by 3, 11 standard. Sin pi minus alpha is what? Sin alpha. Sin pi minus alpha equal to sin alpha. Sin inverse of sin. Cancel pi by 3 because pi by 3 belongs to this range. So y equal to pi by 3. So same way, question number 17 try करो. 3 pi by 4 for 17. Hint for question number 17. 3 pi by 4 we can write as pi minus pi by 4. And question number 19th same way. Question number 19th. तो 19th करते हैं, 19 ट्राई करते हैं. Question number 19th, cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. Pi by 6, 30. 37 is 210. 210 does not belongs to 0 to pi. बराबर pi by 6 means 30. 37 is 210 does not belongs to 0 to pi. तो सीधा इसको कैंसिल नहीं कर सकेंगे. Same way, converting cos 7 pi by 6, we can write as pi plus pi by 6. It is cos inverse. Cos pi plus alpha, third quadrant. It is minus. And last time we have seen cos inverse of minus x. It is cos family. So which is equal to what? Pi minus cos inverse. माइनस से बाहर निकाल लेंगे कैसे? पाई माइनस करके पाई माइनस cos inverse of cos pi by 6. Now we can cancel because pi by 6 is in the range. So pi minus pi by 6. Final answer 5 pi by 6. So y equal to 5 pi by 6. Write down. Question 20, MCQ number 20 is the easiest MCQ. Sine inverse of minus of minus and outside. So it is plus sine inverse of. MCQ number 20 is the easiest MCQ. It is sine pi by 3 minus and outside plus sine inverse of. And it is sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Sine 91. Okay. And last 21. Tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3. What is the value of tan inverse root 3? It is 60 degree. So pi by 3 and minus of cot inverse minus root 3. So tan inverse root 3 minus of cot inverse minus root 3. It is tan inverse root 3 and minus cot inverse means cos family. So it is pi minus kar do. Pi minus cot inverse root 3 and tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3 minus pi. It is the formula pi by 2 minus pi. Final answer is minus pi by 2. And question number 1 2 अपने आप ट्राई करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में हम सपोज करेंगे x इक्वल टू साइन अल्फा. ये ट्राई करो, हिंट देता हूँ तो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा सम. क्या हो जाएगा? RHS हमारी हो जाएगी साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 3 साइन अल्फा माइनस 4 साइन क्यूब अल्फा. इट इज द फॉर्मूला साइन 3 अल्फा. Clear? And same way for question 2, taking x equal to cos alpha. Okay, so 2.2 is over. होमवर्क में आपको 2.2 करनी है. और कोई डाउट हो तो आप मुझे पूछो. बाय बाय, थैंक्स.